Oraimo has established itself as a top-selling smartwatch company in Africa. Well, in this video, we are going to review the Oraimo Smartwatch 2. This is the latest Oraimo smartwatch, and trust me, it comes with lots of features. And in this video, we are going to review. I'm going to show you the unboxing process, and I'm also going to show you a few things why you definitely need to purchase this device. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. First of all, let's talk about the price of this Oraimo Smartwatch 2 Pro. The Oraimo Smartwatch 2 Pro costs around 28,000 naira on Oraimo website, and if you wish to purchase the smartwatch from Jumia or any other store, it might actually go for around 33,000 naira. Unboxing the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, you're going to see the watch itself, followed by the charging cable, followed by the user guide. Now it's time to take a deep dive into the Watch 2 Pro. The Watch 2 Pro is made up of a plastic and has a button on the side for accessing your own menus and power options, and as the back you have the heart rate sensor and a charging port. The wristband is made up of silicone or rubber, and you can also get a third-party band for it. But currently, Oraimo is not actually providing any third-party bands for it, but you can actually go ahead and outsource for bands. Watch has IP68 dust and waterproof, and you can shower or go to the stream with it, but do not let it stay for too long. Currently, the watch comes in black, and this should fit any outfit you're actually trying to match with the watch. The smartwatch has 5 brightness level, and I didn't encounter any issue when trying to make use of the smartwatch outdoor. Looking at the smartwatch, it comes with a default face, and if you wish to change the face, you need to make sure you install the new Oraimo Health app on your Android phone or iOS phone. Installing this app will also help you enable other features on your Oraimo watch, like Bluetooth calling, checking your heart rate, performing exercises with your watch, and lots more. One of the features I love about the Oraimo watch is the Bluetooth call. I don't need to make use of my phone regularly in order for me to call. I can just go ahead and dial a number right on the watch. And yes, you can actually go ahead and set 10 numbers by default you want to go ahead and see on your screen, and you also get to see the dial pad section on the watch in case you want to go ahead and dial certain numbers on your phone. And yes, apart from that, you also get a quick reply, quick replies and quick SMS feature, but this is only available on Android phones. But since I'm actually using an iPhone, I can't make use of this feature. We are actually familiar with the message reminder on the Oraimo watch. This helps you get app notification on your wristwatch, and it supports Android and also supports iPhones, and most of the time you can actually see more than 14 plus most popular apps. Oraimo also improved the heart rate sensor for the watch, and trust me, it's much better than the OSW16. Thanks to Oraimo for also adding more sport activities into the Oraimo watch. I also tried making use of the Bluetooth call in calling a few of my friends, and it was actually cool when I was making calls inside the house, but when I moved to making calls outside the house, I barely hear them because of the sound around me, and I have to make sure I put my watch close to my ear in order for me to hear them, and in order for me to speak clearly and for them to hear me very well, I need to take the watch close to my mouth. So if you actually get the Oraimo Smartwatch 2 Pro, make sure you put the watch close to your mouth. I think the microphone range is very low, so you might actually want to do that. In addition, Oraimo give us a better and bigger screen for the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro than the Watch Pro and also the OSW16. The design of the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro looks just like the Apple series, and you probably want to buy it so you can actually feel like a big boy, right? Overall, the device is actually worth buying, and trust me, if you purchase this device, it's worth every penny. And also, yes guys, I'm gonna place my coupon code in my description below, and also I'm gonna tag the coupon code in the comment section so you can go ahead and make use of my coupon code when you want to go ahead and purchase the product on Oraimo website. And when you use my coupon code in purchasing the product on my Oraimo website, you're also going to get a discount. And trust me, instead of you buying it for 3,000 naira on Jumia or any other outlets, you want to go ahead and buy it from Oraimo website, where you actually get it for 28,000 naira, and once you apply my coupon code, you're going to get it cheaper for around 26,000 naira, which is cool, right? So what are you waiting for? Up down there and get a coupon code and make use of it. So I think that's pretty much it guys for this video. If you actually enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, like, share, and see you guys in another one. And don't forget, Deelino here. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.